Hello students, good morning to everyone. Last class I explained about conversions of solid from one shape to another shape. Few exercise also almost completed and I assigned you to complete the two problems. Only two problems I asked you to complete them, 6th and 7th question. So how many of you did I don't know. So hope everyone tried it at least. Okay. So I did not receive any call or any message that regarding that 6th and 7th question. That means either you got the solution or you not at all tried it. Okay. So whether you are correct or not, those who did, whether your answer is correct or not, check out. The answer means procedure. Okay, and those who did not complete, please listen carefully. How many silver coins 1.75 centimeters in diameter and thickness 2 millimeters need to be melted to form a cuboid of dimensions 5.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeters. Okay, generally when we ask a coin means everyone thinks that may be a coin is a circular shape, but actually coin is a cylinder shape. As I'll show you an example. This is a coin. In this one, when you see the face, circular face only, and bottom also circular face only. But when you put this coin like this, the height also will be in millimeters. Height will be maybe very small value, but we need to consider its height also. Its height also we need to consider, since coin height also will be. Okay, understood? Now coin will be like this. Okay, the diameter of the coin is how many silver coins? 1.75 centimeters. Diameter of coin is equal to 1.75 centimeters. Then radius is equal to 1.75 by 2, that is equal to 175 by 200. I am converting into fractions. Calculation, easy calculation. 25 7 is 175, 25 8 is 200. 7 by 8 will get answer. Cancellation after simplest value. Okay. 25 7 is 175, 25 5 is 125, 25 6 is 150, 25 7 is 175, 25 8 is 200. So diameter no, radius is half, 1.75 by 2. Since the decimal part is 2 are there, no point I am removing, 2 digits are there, 2 zeros I took. Then it became as a 175 by 200. 25 7 is 25 8 is 7 by 8 centimeters. Radius of the coin it is. And the thickness is nothing but a height. This is only thickness. 2 millimeters means h is equal to centimeters, because this is centimeters is convert into centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 2 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 5 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. Okay, conversions are very important, sir. Next, what you are making? You are making your these coins you are taking and you are converting into cuboid shape. You are changing into a cuboid shape. To make the cuboid shape, how many coins are required? Let number of coins is equal to x. Let number of coins is equal to x. Now cuboid, you are making it cuboid now. length of the cuboid is equal to how much it is? 5.5 centimeters. Okay. Breadth is equal to 10 centimeters. And height is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Height of cuboid is equal to 12 centimeter, 3.5 centimeters. Now, x number of points you are melting and making into cuboid means x into volume of point is equal to volume of cuboid. X into volume of point is pi r square h. Pi r square h is equal to L into B into h. L into B into h means x into 22/7. Are they mentioned any value 3.14? No. So you can use it. Radius is 7/8 into 7/8 and the height is 1/5 is equal to 5.5 into 10 into 35/10 I am writing. Easy calculation purpose. This is also 55/10 I am writing. Okay. So x is equal to 55/10 into this 10 cancel 35 into 7/22 into 8/7 into 8/7 into 5/1. Now 7 cancel, 7 1s are 7 5s are 11 5s are 11 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now what is left here? 5 into 2 into 8 into 5. That is equal to x is equal to 5 2s are 10, 8 5s are 40. 40 into 10 is 400. 400 points. 100 points. Calculation, sequence calculation. 7/8, 2 millimeters is equal to 1/5 centimeters. 2/10 centimeters is equal to 1/5 centimeters. 5.5. 55/10 into 10 into 35/10. 10 cancel, 55/10 into 35. Now 7/22, 8/7, 8/7, 1/5 becomes as a 5/1. Okay. Let me check once. into 35 into 4/11 into 8/7 into 5/1. 11 ones are 11 5s. 7 ones are 7 5s. 5 ones are 5 2s. 2 ones are 2 2s. 5 2s are 10. 10 8 are 80. 85 are 400. 400 coins. Please check your answers. Please note down and check your answer also. Okay. 400 coins I got. In your textbook, 100 coins are there in old textbooks. Whether this is correct or not, I don't know exactly. But as per the procedure is correct only. Once again check the calculation whether I made any mistakes. Anywhere I did a mistake. If I commit mistake, please let me know that one. Because I did the calculation twice, but even though I got the same answer, 400 coins. Same answer, 400 coins I got. Okay. Once again check out. In case any corrections are there, let me know that one. Next. Next question is the seventh question, last question. Just I'll give the hint. Please try to do yourself only. A vessel in the form of an inverted cone, its height 8 centimeter and the radius of its top is 5 centimeters. It is filled with water up to the rim. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeters dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. A vessel in the form of an inverted cone, its height is 8 centimeters. Height of cone h is equal to 8 centimeters. And radius of its top is 5 centimeters. It is filled with the water up to the rim. Okay. When lead shots of each, which is a sphere of shape, radius 0.5 centimeter dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. When you drop the lead shots, then 1/4 of the water flows out. Okay. Now, radius of sphere is equal to R1 is equal to half centimeter. 0.5 centimeter they given. I took half centimeter. Okay. Then find the number of lead shots dropped into the vessel. Means let us suppose number of lead shots dropped into vessel is equal to x. Into vessel is equal to x. Means when you drop the lead shots into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Means some water will come outside. How much? 1/4 of the water. 1/4 of the cone water is flows out. Okay. Means as according to question, x into volume of a lead shot is equal to 1/4 of the volume of cone vessel. 1/4 of the vessel means the x into volume of a lead shot is 4/3 pi r1 cube, because 2 are the radius, is equal to 1/4 into volume of a cone is 1/3. 1/3 into volume of cone is 1/3. Volume volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square x. Total product only, no addition and subtraction is there. Pi you can cancel it. So now x is equal to x into 4 by 3 into r1 cube is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 into, here r value is 5 into 5 into, and the height of the cone is equal to 8. 2, 2, 4 cancel. 4 ones, 4 twos we can cancel it. Is equal to there. 3 you can cancel. If you are confusing, no issue. This 3 cancel. Is equal to either sides denominators are there, no? This you can cancel because when you transpose this denominator this side, it comes in numerator place. So x into 1 by 2 is equal to 5 into 5 into 2. Now x is equal to 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 by 1. X into 5 as a 25, 25 to the 50, 52 is 100 points. 100, sorry, not 100 points, lead shots. 100 lead shots are dropped into the vessel so that 1/4 of the volume will be comes out. Okay, I think with this your chapter also finished. Okay, one more question is there, sir. 8th question. Eighth question also same model only. Cone height, radius given, radius of sphere given. Radius of sphere means lead shot radius. Number of lead shots is x. X into volume of one lead shot is equal to 1/4 of the volume of water poured out. 1 by 4 into volume of. Simplify it, we get the answer. Here 3 and 3 cancelled, sir, because denominator either sides are equal, so I cancelled it. Now, the 8th question is the same model, just I'll give you a hint and I'll close session. A solid metallic sphere diameter 28 centimeters is melted and recast into a number of smaller cones, each of diameter 4 2 by 3 centimeters and height 3 centimeters. Find the number of cones so formed. A solid metallic sphere you are making into a cone. Okay. How many x cones you are making? This x we need to find out. Means a solid metallic sphere of diameter of a sphere is equal to capital R is equal to 28 centimeters. Then R is equal to 14 centimeters. 28 by 2 is 14 centimeters. And recast into the cone, smaller cones, each diameter of a cone is equal to 4 2 by 3 centimeters. Convert 3 4s are 12 plus 2, 14 by 3 centimeters. Okay, cone diameter is. Then radius is equal to 14 by 3 into 2. 2 ones, 2 sevens. That is equal to 7 by 3 centimeters. And the height of the cone is equal to 3 centimeters. height of cone is equal to h is equal to 3 centimeters. Let us suppose the number of cones is equal to x. Let us assume that number of cones is equal to x. X number of cones volume is equal to volume of the sphere. That's it. Equate it. X into volume of a cone is equal to volume of a sphere. Only one sphere only they are melting, not more than 2 or 3. They did not mention a solid metallic sphere, one metallic sphere only. So x into volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This 3 we can cancel it. This pi because product only now. Now x into r value. What is r? 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into height is equal to 3 is equal to 4 into r cube. R is 14 into 14 into 14. Okay. Now 3 cancel. X is equal to 4 into 14 into 14 into 14 into 3 by 7 into 1 by 7. 7 1 the 7 2s are 7 1 the 7 2s are. X is equal to 7 by 3 1 no this 7 by 3 7 by 3. Now 4 into 14 into 2 into 2 into 3. X is equal to 14 4s are 56. 56 2s are 112. 112 2s are 224. 224 3s are 2 to the power 4 3s are 12. 56 into 12. 12 6 are 72. 12 5 are 60. 60 plus 7 67. 672 cones. Sir, my textbook question answers are wrong or there in old textbook. So answers are different answers I am getting, but the procedure is same. So once again, for safe side, once again check your calculations, check the calculations and correct them. If I made any mistake, then let me know that one. Please text me where I did a mistake, then I will correct it. Okay? Understood? One sphere and we are converting into cones. This cone is not hemispherical mounted on this one, not there. Anything is not there. Because melted and recast into a number of smaller cones. Okay? You are not filling ice cream to make a hemispherical shape on the top. Only cone. So diameter is equal to 28 centimeters. So radius is equal to 14 centimeters. Diameter of the cone is equal to 4 2 by 3. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14 by 3. Radius is equal to 7 by 3 centimeters. So height of the cone is equal to 3 centimeters. Number of cones is equal to x. X into volume of one cone is equal to volume of the sphere. 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi cancel, 3 cancel. 1 x into r square means 7 by 3 into 7 by 3 into h is equal to 3. Cone no. Into 4 into r cube is 14 into 14 into 14. R x is equal to 4 into 14 into 14 into 14 is equal into this 3 by 7. This is 1 by 7. 7 by 1 1 by 7. 7 1 the 7 2 the 7 1 the 7 2 the. No more cancellation. 4 into 14 is 56. 2 to the 4 4 to the 12. 12 56 dash. 672 cones. They are cones. Okay, with this your textbook exercise all problems completed. I hope every problem you understood. Each and every problem explained. Examples, do this, try these problems once, practice yourself. In case any doubts are there in that regarding that example, do this, try this, let me know that one. Thank you. With this next chapter, new chapter I will start in next class. Okay, mensuration also completed. So this chapter is very careful. Only thing is you need to practice more. Calculations only more. nothing is there. Formula if you remember, easily you'll understand. You will be able to answer it. Thank you very much.